Okay guys, welcome to the second tutorial. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to group the shapes. I haven't done it yet. As you can see, I'm selecting surfaces. I don't want to do that if I want to move this around. So go to the select tool, select the entire thing, edit and make group. Okay, now I'm just going to orbit back around and zoom out slightly and pan. This time I'm going to do the female fixing. So just to recap, the wood's 12mm thick, it's 100mm long in total, and I've set the comb at 15mm down, 15mm up, which means that must be 20mm because the entire height is 50 in total. So 15 plus 15 is 30, minus 30 from the 50 gives you the 20. Okay, so rectangular tool, click and drag, and we said it was 12mm, comma 100mm. There we go. Push pull tool up to the 50. Okay, now I'm going to follow exactly the same process again, but this time I'm going to remove the middle fixing. Okay, the middle part of the comb joint. So tape measure tool, click once from the edge, 12mm. Go from the top down 15, from the bottom up 15, and from the right hand edge 12. Hopefully you understand these measurements. If not, try to just spend a minute or so just trying to get your head around why I'm typing these dimensions in. Obviously the dimensions you type in will be your own dimensions, not my dimensions. I'm just going to orbit to one side. This time, instead of drawing out for the male fixing, I'm going to draw out for the female fixing. So this means the inside bit here. Really get used to using this tape measure tool because it's so useful. And importantly, get used to deleting those lines, because otherwise when you've got a really technical drawing you'll end up with measurements all over the place. It just becomes very difficult to interpret. Okay, so push pull tool now. Oops. Orbit around. And I'm just going to select that entire shape and edit, make group. Brilliant. Okay, so I've got all the fixings I'm going to need. I've just got one more thing to show you before you duplicate those shapes, but that will come in the next video. So good luck with that, guys.